they gonna respect your importance anytime you feel super important. When you see numbers 333, 444, your mind is super important to the universe. The universe, the God, the creator, put a system, a coding in the matrix or nature program and function. Is based upon astrological principles, functions, stellar configurations, but it's also based upon your mathematics and your numbers connected with different parts and functions of the universe. So you have a part of you that reflects 333, 222, 666, 444, right? 555. Your body makes up different combinations of different numbers. And when you focus your energy